Here we will say about Planck radiation law. Max Planck postulated that radiation is absorbed and emitted in quanta of energy. A quantum of radiation is called photon. Photons are massless bundles of energy and they having integral spins. Photons are bosons and they obey Bose-Einstein's statistics. Photons move with the velocity of light. If frequency of radiation is nu, energy is A of each photon is proportional to the frequency of radiation is nu, then E is equal to h nu, where h is a Planck constant and which is given 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 34 joules second. If we are considering black body cavity, then its volume is suppose capital V and internal energy of the particles enclosed inside the cavity is U and temperature is capital T. So it is shown black body cavity with volume V, radiation maintained at temperature T, and radiation are like photon gas. Photons obey Bose-Einstein statistics. In case of a black body cavity, with the photons obey Bose-Einstein statistics, the number of photons having energy is between E and E plus dE, which is given as N of E dE is equal to G of E into dE divided by E raised to alpha into E raised to E divided by kT minus 1. In case of photon gas, the number of photons not conserved while the energy at temperature T in cavity must remain constant. The number of photons may be created, or we can say emitted or destroyed. It means they are getting absorbed inside the cavity. Two photons with energy h nu, suppose emitted from one of the walls, at the same time the equivalent energy of absorbed photons will be twice h nu in cavity and it behave like a single photon. The number of photons need not be constant. We set constant, suppose alpha appearing due to conservation of particles and which is equal to 0. So therefore alpha is equal to 0. We are writing it suppose 2. Therefore G of E dE is the number of quantum states lying between E and E plus D. So according to the concept of phase space, the number of quantum states lying between momenta P and P plus dP in phase space, which is given as G of D is the number of quantum states lying between E and E plus D. So according to the concept of phase space, the number of quantum states lying between momenta P and P plus dP in phase space, which is G of P into dP is equal to 4 pi V divided by h raised to 3 into p square dp. The priori probability that a photon has momentum between p and p plus dp is 2 times to this given number because photons of the same frequency can have two different directions of polarizations. That is circularly clockwise and anti-clockwise. For photon G of P into dP is equal to 8 pi V divided by h cube into p square dP. So momentum P of the photons of the frequency nu is given by P is equal to h nu divided by C. So therefore dP is equal to h divided by C into d nu. So writing equation G of P into dP is equal to 8 pi V divided by h raised to 3 into P square dP. So in terms of frequency, G of nu into d nu is equal to 8 pi V divided by h raised to 3 into h raised to 3 divided by c cube into nu square into d nu. Further, it is written as G of nu into d nu is equal to 8 pi V divided by c cube into nu square d nu. So suppose this is equation 4. So writing that earlier equation 1 in terms of frequency and using equation this 4, so n of nu into d nu is equal to G of nu into d nu divided by e raised to h nu by kt minus 1. So E is equal to h nu or n of nu into d nu is equal to 8 pi V divided by c raised to 3 into nu square d nu divided by e raised to h nu by kt minus 1. Each of the photons has energy h nu. Hence the energy density, it means energy per unit volume, lying between nu and nu plus d nu, which is given by u of nu into d nu is equal to 8 pi h divided by c cube into nu cube into d nu divided by e raised to h nu by kt minus 1. Suppose this is equation 5. In terms of wavelength, nu is equal to c by lambda, d nu is equal to minus c by lambda square into d lambda. So u of lambda into d lambda is equal to 8 pi ch divided by lambda raised to 5 into bracket e raised to ch by lambda kt minus 1 into d lambda. So this is suppose equation 6. Equation 5 and equation 6 are called Planck's radiation formula. So this is all about the Planck radiation law.